In this section, we will discuss how to calibrate your TremoFlow and begin patient testing. First, we will walk through the calibration process. Your TremoFlow device must have been calibrated within the past 24 hours when the patient is tested. You can access the calibration wizard from the welcome screen. Or, if you choose not to calibrate ahead of time, the software will automatically trigger the calibration wizard before a patient test if necessary. When triggered, the calibration wizard will lead you step by step through the calibration process. First, remove your calibrator from its box and remove the two red dust caps from either end. Next, you must enter the 13-character calibrator ID printed on the side of your calibrator into the text box on the calibration wizard. This ID encodes the resistance and reactance of the calibrator as well as the calibrator expiry date. When you correctly enter the ID into the calibration wizard, the resistance as well as the expiry date are displayed in the calibration wizard. In addition, a green check mark will appear to the right of the text box, and finally, the Next button will be enabled. You only need to enter this ID the first time you use the calibrator. The software will retain the information for subsequent uses. When you replace your calibrator upon its expiration, you will need to enter the ID of the new calibrator during its first use. Click Next. Insert the calibrator into the TremoFlow with the arrow pointing away from the TremoFlow. Click Next. The software will run the waveforms that will subsequently be used to measure patients while the calibrator is connected. The resistance and reactance of the calibrator are calculated. If the values correspond to the values encoded into the calibrator ID, this means your TremoFlow device is producing accurate outcomes. This is indicated by green check marks on the results screen. You are now ready to measure your first patient. Remove the calibrator, reinsert the two red dust caps, and return the calibrator to its box.